Hi there! Welcome to this video about retirement planning and the role of retirement saving accounts in investing. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of planning for your retirement and how retirement savings accounts can play a crucial role in helping you achieve your financial goals. First, let's start with why retirement planning is important. Retirement is a time when you transition from working life to your golden years. It's a time to enjoy the fruits of your labor and live a comfortable lifestyle without having to worry about financial instability. To make sure you have a secure and comfortable retirement, it's crucial to start planning early and make smart financial decisions. This includes saving and investing, as well as seeking professional financial advice when necessary. One of the key ways to save for retirement is through retirement savings accounts, such as individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and 401ks. IRAs are tax-advantaged savings accounts that are specifically designed for retirement savings. They come in two main forms: traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. Traditional IRAs allow you to make pre-tax contributions, meaning you can deduct the contributions from your taxable income. However, you will have to pay taxes on the withdrawals you make from the account during retirement. Roth IRAs, on the other hand, are funded with after-tax contributions. This means you will get a tax deduction for your contributions, but the withdrawals you make during retirement will be tax-free. 401ks are employer-sponsored retirement savings accounts. They allow you to save for retirement on a pre-tax basis, like traditional IRAs, and also provide a matching contribution from your employer. This matching contribution can be a valuable source of additional retirement savings. You'll want to make sure to check with your specific employer on their matching policy, as some companies will have different tiers of maturity for receiving the full benefit of their match. This scenario is often based on your tenure with the company that can be overlooked without knowing their specific policies, as every company is different. It's important to understand that both IRAs and 401ks have contribution limits and penalties for early withdrawals. So it's important to understand these rules before making any decisions about your retirement savings. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was informative and helpful in your journey to financial security. Be sure to drop us a comment on what you thought and subscribe, hitting that notification bell for future content releases. In conclusion, retirement planning is crucial for a comfortable and secure retirement. Retirement savings accounts such as IRAs and 401ks can play a crucial role in helping you achieve your financial goals. It's important to understand the different types of accounts, contribution limits, and penalties to make informed decisions about your retirement savings. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.